Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I will discuss this important question. The equation, the group of equation, the group of line. This equation represent the two equations of linear straight lines, linear equations. So firstly find the lines. Okay. So you need factorization, and then the type of a factorization is called the midterm break. Firstly, according to rule 10x square 25, it's break into minus 25xy plus 2xy, which becomes a 23, and then product is equal to the product of a coordinate term according to rule of midterm factorization. Everyone know about this one. So the take 5x common from first two term, 5x as a common, 2x minus 5y, and the next is here y take common, 2x minus 5y equal to 0. These are same factors, so take common 2x minus 5y and 5x plus y equal to 0. See student, these are two factors which is equal to 0. It means this is the linear factor 2x minus 5y which is equal to 0. The first one, 5x plus y equal to 0. This is the other one. Okay, these are two linear equation which is represent two linear equation which represent two lines, two straight lines. This one, find lines. These are two lines. These are required line. This one. Okay. In this question, this equation represent the combination of two lines. Which one? And other one. 2x minus 5y equals 0. This is straight line. 5x plus y is equal to 0. This is also a straight line. And next is, and find the angle. So angle, what is angle? Angle means if this equation, suppose the first line this one, L1, suppose this one, and other one is this. This is the other straight line. Find the angle. Angle means this one. Angle at between two lines where these two lines intersect each other. See this one. Okay. See this. This angle is called find. Then, so student, for finding this angle between two lines, we need the general form, standard form of a equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. So this one is the standard form, and the angle between these two lines, tan theta equal to square root 2 square root h square minus 2 square root h square minus AB, the product AB, and divided by a plus b. Okay, this one, the standard form of combination of a two straight line, and this is the formula for angle between these two lines. Okay, so about these two formulas, by comparing this equation according to this equation, yes one, the value, find the value of these. A is equal to 10, B is equal to minus 5, and the product of xy 2h, which is equal to minus 23. 2h is equal to minus 23, and here the h is minus 23 divided by 2. These are 3 values. So next apply this formula, the tan theta to square root h minus 23 over 2 minus 23 over 2 square minus ab. A is 10, b is minus 5, and divided by a plus b. A is 10 plus b is minus 5. So simplify this formula to square root minus square. Due to square it becomes a plus 23. The square of 23 is 529 divided by 4 minus minus plus 5 tens 50. 529 divided by plus minus minus 10 minus 5. This one. And here take the LCM. After taking LCM, this becomes a 2 square root 729 divided by 4. Okay, and then finally it becomes 2 square root 729. So let's take the LCM square root, taking the square root of 729, it becomes a 27, and square root of 4 is become of 2. So 2 cancel with this one, and the first 27 over 5, which is tan inverse. Tan theta equal to 27 divided by 5, and now the angle is tan inverse 27 over 5, and result, taking the tan inverse 27 over 5, and result is 79 degree 31 minute. See student, this is the final result. This one the first line and this is the second line, and then angle between them is 79 degree and 31 minutes. This is the most important question. I hope all of you know that about the all procedure. Firstly, take factorization and find the 2 lines, required line, and then angle between these lines is according to this rule, apply the formula, and this is the. I hope so you understand this question. So please like it. If you have any problem, then you can comment. Take care. Allah Hafiz.